In this video, I'll show you how to add Hubspot forms to your WordPress pages and posts. Start by logging into your Hubspot account and navigating to the Marketing tab. Then click on Forms. Choose an existing form or create a new one using a template or starting from scratch. For example, you can use a Contact Us or Book a Meeting template. Once the form opens in the editor, make any necessary changes and click on Review and Update. After reviewing, click Update to publish the form. Next, head over to your WordPress site. Make sure the Hubspot plugin is installed and activated. In the Gutenberg editor, you can add a form block or use a shortcode. To get the shortcode, go back to Hubspot, click on Get Embed Code, copy it, and paste it into your WordPress editor. And that's it. Your Hubspot form is now live on your WordPress page or post, ready to capture leads. Thanks for watching. Check the description for useful links, and I'll see you in the next video.